Most people get this wrong. They think Finzo is just a simple payday advance app, but the surprising truth in 2026 is that Finzo is a full-featured financial platform offering early wage access, flexible installment payments, and spending management tools all in one place. When used responsibly, it can help manage short-term cash needs without falling into high-interest debt traps. Here's how Finzo works. First, you can access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often within hours. This is ideal for emergencies, bills, or unexpected expenses. Second, eligible purchases can be split into small, manageable installments over several weeks with flat, predictable fees rather than interest. This makes budgeting much easier. Finzo also includes dashboards, notifications, and reminders so you can track payments and spending. This helps reduce late fees and encourages responsible usage. The downside? Overusing Finzo can get expensive. Relying too heavily on advances or installment payments or missing due dates can quickly add up, and it may mask deeper financial issues rather than solving them. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only access money or split purchases you can repay on time. 2. Use notifications to stay on top of upcoming payments. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce reliance. Who benefits most? Individuals with steady income who occasionally need a cash boost or want help managing larger purchases. People with irregular income or weak repayment discipline could end up paying more than they save. In conclusion, Finzo in 2026 is a useful financial tool, but only when used responsibly. Track your fees, plan repayments, and treat it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for more honest app reviews and practical money tips.